Today we'll be discussing about a simple gesture which can help your patients love your clinic. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about how to make your patients love your clinic. This is possible with the help of a very simple gesture. And that gesture is totally free of cost, nothing is no money, nothing is required, but that is something which we have to apply. So as clinicians, we always complain about patients who are never on time, we who miss their appointments, who cancel their appointments, and who don't give us prior intimation of that. We get angry, we get frustrated with them, but we always forget that small bunch of patients who are always dot on time, who will never miss our appointments, who will be always on or before time, and who will follow our instructions blindly. We all have those patients, right? But do we appreciate them enough? We don't appreciate them much, right? We maybe talk about, we'll usually talk about those patients with our teammates, with our receptionist, and everybody is happy to have those patients. But we never appreciate that patient personally. Have you done it? If you have done it, superb. If you have not done it, try doing that. Everybody loves appreciation. You love appreciation. I love appreciation. We all love appreciation. Imagine about that first cavity prep which you have done and the professor has appreciated you for that. Remember that? Or remember the first time the patient appreciated you and thanked you for a wonderful treatment or maybe relieving him or her from the pain. I still remember the first time when I got an appreciation from one of my patient. After the treatment was done, he wrote a handwritten simple note in which it was written, "You're the best dentist I've ever met. Thank you so much." Those were just words, but for me, it meant more than that. It motivated me a lot. I still have that paper with me. I'll never lose it. It's always in my file. So whenever we get some appreciation from patient or anybody for that matter, for anything, we will try to do that thing again and again. And we will try to improve ourselves always. If the patient appreciates us, we will try to give them the best possible treatment possible. Right? Same way, patient also needs to be motivated if you want them to follow your instructions nicely, follow everything, whatever you have advised in your treatment plan. If you want that, patient has to be motivated to do that. And one of the ways is with the help of appreciating them by maybe there are a lot of ways of appreciation. And in my next video, we will be discussing about different ways of appreciating the patient. But the bottom line is appreciating them helps in three ways. One, it motivates them to do that thing again, to again come on time, to make sure that they follow all our instructions and do all the treatment plan which we have suggested. Second, it helps them to remember us for a really long time. You remember the people who have appreciated you in your life, right? That the same thing applies to them. They will remember us for a really long time, and we want that to happen. Third, and the most important thing is whenever we appreciate a patient, usually it helps us to convert them from a normal regular patient to a loyal patient. And we want to increase our bucket of loyal patients, right? So, same ways, just appreciation can help you a long way. Try doing that and see the difference. And there are a lot of ways of doing it. In my next video, we will be discussing about those things. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us. And send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our special broadcast list, and you'll be the first person to receive any free content which we are releasing online. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.